Hello everyone. It's the time to install the operating system for our Raspberry Pi 5. Actually, now you can see here, this is the micro SD card slot. It's empty. We need to add the operating system to such kind of SD card, micro SD card. I have this one, 64 GB, already inserted in my SD card reader for the purpose of installing the operating system from the PC, from the internet, then remove from the reader and insert it into the Raspberry Pi. So this is the entire situation. So let us search for, using Google, search for Raspberry Pi 5 operating system download. Yes, I think this is the, so here you can see Raspberry Pi operating system. We need something called Raspberry Pi Imager, this one. So we will install this simple program from Raspberry Pi company itself, and it detect that I'm using Microsoft Windows. So the suggestion was to download for Windows. Yes, go on. You see, it's simple program. It will quickly download it. Done. Everything is done. As you see here, it's 19.3 megabyte. Done. So now I will run it. Execute this imager. Yes. Go for install. It will be installed easily and properly. And run. Finish. So now the imager is actually running. Choose your device. I am using Raspberry Pi 5. Choose your operating system. We will go to the recommended one here. As you see here, it is recommended for, it's called Pod DBN, and the size is 1.1 gigabyte and some details. I will go for that. And also I will choose my micro SD card. This is my micro SD card. It's 64 GB free space and it's mounted on D drive, as you see here. Go for next. Here you need to edit the settings. It's very important. I will edit the settings. Here I will start fixing my settings. I will not give it actually the host name. I will not give it Raspberry Pi. I will give it my first name, Ahmed. So when you, in the future, when you try to use the Raspberry Pi as a hardware, so the host name is ahmed.local. Yeah, I will use a username and password. The username will be pi and password will be number one. And also configure the wireless LAN. Yes, actually, this is the, and I will add my password for the network. Your Raspberry Pi should have the same SSID that you are using on your PC. So I will put my password. Everything is fine. So not here. Go down and I will set my, it is Dubai, UAE, not United States or AE. Yes, this one. So now everything is seemed to be good, but you need, it's not finished yet. You need to go to the services. So this tab general, we have done with the general, go to the services. Please enable SSH. A must operation that you enable the SSH. The SSH command, it is the Linux command that we will contact our Raspberry Pi when finish installing the operating system on it. So enable, and there is an options, nothing, everything look good, and save the settings. I don't think save is, yeah, no, it's appear. I don't know where it's appear or not. Save. And would you like to apply operating system customization settings? Yes. And it asks you that everything gonna erased if there is any important data. Please don't forget to format your uh, micro SD card. Yes. It's a start downloading the operating system. It will take some time. So for this purpose, I gonna pause the video for a while. As you see here, we have reached around 60 percentage of the writing process. Now the Raspberry Pi imager is bringing the operating system, which is 64-bit recommended by the company itself, and write it to the micro SD card in my micro SD card reader. After actually the writing process is finalized, there will be another phase called verifying. So let us also meet after some kind of progress. See you after a while. Okay, actually, the download is already finished and the writing was accomplished. Now, the last phase of the deployment of the operating system is the verifying phase. Also, it will take some time. So, let us meet after the verifying. After when it's finished, it gives me a message that it's safely to remove the micro SD card to be used for the Raspberry Pi. See you after a while. As you see here, it says that it's finalizing. So I think we're gonna finalize the writing and the verification. So let us wait the final message. Cool. You can remove the SD card from the reader, and I will say continue. So now I will remove it. Actually, this is my SD card. This is my micro SD card. I remove it, but this SD card containing the operating system for this Raspberry Pi 5. So now I will mount this SD card inside the slot here. So now we have a Raspberry Pi 5 with installed operating system 64-bit recommended by the company. See you next video and we're gonna start working on that. Thank you.